It's the last time. But don't be sad that it's finishing. Be happy for all the moments we have created together. Here at WXW, there has been a lot of people that have worked tirelessly to make this all happen, but it does not happen without each and every one of you. So I thank you very much for supporting us here. WXW has been around for a long time, and it has produced a lot of talent that you have seen and watched on TV all over the world growing up with them. And we have a few very special VIP luminaries in the house tonight that we want to give a special warm round of applause as we bring them out. The people that have helped build this house. First and foremost, we want to introduce the person behind the scenes here in Mineola that actually made this happen way back in 2009. The mayor of Mineola, the mayor of Lake County that made this all happen, Mr. David Yeager. We also want to introduce here to the front a couple of WWE talent. You may have seen them once or twice. The master of the shooting star press, Billy Kidman, is in the house. And WWE referee Sean Bennett as well here. Thank you all so much. Not only has WXW produced a lot of great male talent, but a lot of great female talent as well, including, oh man, she's been kicking some tail in Ring of Honor right now, Miss Mercedes Martinez. Also in the building at WXW Hall of Famer, the commissioner, the man that's worn so many hats. He's been with us since one. Ladies and gentlemen, Ricky Santana in the house. Not only has WXW produced a lot of talent in the ring, but a lot of talent that has gone on to put together wrestling shows and promotions that we all know and love. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the co-founders of ECW, founder of Ring of Honor, World Wrestling Network, and now with the WWE, ladies and gentlemen, Gabe Sapolsky. It's the first time I've ever seen Gabe shot before. I don't know where he went. He's being shot. And of course, what good is WXW without the most feared man in professional wrestling, one of the greatest wrestlers and one of the greatest humans alive, ladies and gentlemen, King Haku! And of course, last but not least, listen, the WWE can talk about the blood